So let's go over the NZD USD trade setup. This was my last trade I took on last week. So really quick, let's take a look at the reasons as to why I took the trade, what I was looking for when I got the signal, and the entry on the trade. Alright, so you guys know I get my signals from a daily time frame. So this was the candle that actually confirmed the signal to go short. Okay, keep in mind on this trade, we're in an uptrending market. So for me to go short on this position was a counter trend. I actually took a counter trend trade. Not big on taking counter trend trades, but this particular trade right here was a counter trend trade. I was trading this trend channel right here. So I actually took the trade. This is the candle that gave me the signal right here to go short, right? I was going to trade it from here. My intention was to trade it from here to the bottom of this channel for about 60 pips. All right, so let's look at what happened. All right, so once I got this signal, once this candle here closed at 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the daily time frame, it gave me the signal to go short. All right, so this is the candle that gave me the signal. Then this candle here is my actual trading day. So let's go down to the 1 hour time frame and take a look at the entry. All right, so on the 1 hour time frame, remember this is the candle. This is the day that gave me the signal. So it'll be 24 of these candles make up that one signal candle day. So I got the signal to go short, but once the day ended, price was down here. Price was down here. So I can't take a trade from here because it's like trying to catch a falling knife, right? You don't want to try and catch a falling knife. So what I wanted the actual price to do is push back up into this level, right? So I can take an entry based on this level, based on price giving me a slight retracement back, and then I would enter to go short to catch the rest of these pips to the downside. And that's exactly what happened. So what I did, I mark off. So I'll mark off where I think price is going to go, and I'll mark off an area, right? Based on these wicks right here. What I did, I marked price was down here. So I kind of marked off an area for price to fall back into here. And I would take the short trade here, okay? So that's what I was looking for. Price did eventually come back right in here and put me into the trade, and then I just rode the market on down for the to hit the take profit that I had previously set on the trade. So let's take a look at the whole, I did a markup on another chart. So let's take a quick look at the actual trade itself. This is it right here. The NZD USD on the 1 hour time frame. I posted this to the Facebook group just a little while ago. This is the entire trade. So price came down right here. It pulled back, gave me the entry around this area right here. You guys know if you drag on MC4, if you drag your trade onto your charts, it'll set the stop loss, your entry right here, it'll set your take profit, and it'll also set the original take profit that you set. So price came down, I waited for price to pull back in. I actually set a sell limit order, so when price came back into this level, it could execute the trade. My stop went back here, and I tried to ride the market down for a 1-to-1. I actually ended up closing the trade out at around 3 p.m. on yesterday because I was actually about to take a nap, and I didn't want the market to I didn't want the market to close on me without me exiting the trade, right? Because the market closed at 5. So I went ahead and closed out of the trade. The trade was a profit of about 40 pips. It wasn't exactly a 2% return. It was a little less than 2%, but I just put 2% right here. But you know, risk to reward 1-to-1, risk 2% to make 2%, and that's pretty much the gist of the trade. That was a real easy trade, but I wanted to show you guys like what I was looking for in terms of a signal to take the trade. And these signals happen these signals happen on a daily time frame all the time. You get at least you get at least anywhere between 3 to 6, 7, or 8 signals every week, because price always has a tendency to reverse. So you just gotta be patient and wait for the signal to come on the daily time frame. And these are some high probability trades. So just want to show you guys a trade. That's it. Forex King, I'm out.